there is no government policy. Neither is there a police service policy, neither by the command of the police nor the ministry itself, for abductions in the Republic. There is nothing like that. What IG said, what the team said, we do not have such a policy. Our National Police Service is a police service of law and order. And we will expend every resource that is before us to make sure that we apprehend criminals and we make sure that our country is a country that lives in law and order. And IG, just to say this, because of the context of what I've told you, even the discussion we have here of misuse of the computers and social media, and if the criminals and people with bad behavior have moved from being manual to the digital space, I want to tell them we will follow you there, because that is where we want to ensure that there is law and order. Because if you allow our children who are here to grow up in a society where you draw people and put them in a coffin, you know, and share to the public or send to their friends, we will never be a country that is a country of law and order. And that is as black and white. It does not need a genius. It doesn't need a person to go to law school, let alone somebody who has been a judge, to criticize such an issue which is in black and white. The penal code is very clear in section 223. Threatening somebody, whether in words or in action or in picture, is a crime that attracts a sentence of up to 10 years. And as police service, I believe that we'll work together to make sure that our country is living in law and order. And let's not be so protective of social media. You know, saying, oh, you know, it must be free. Countries like UK, Australia, US have recently, even as at now, put in place legal framework to protect their citizens. And as a country, we must have the confidence to also protect our citizens.